Welcome to Remo, our brand new virtual networking platform for Latitude events. As you can see, it's a really interactive space with lots of tables and chairs that you can move freely between and have conversations with new connections. Right now, I'm sat over here on table number 1. There I am. So, here are the basics. To move left, right, up or down, you can use the arrows on your keypad, just like this, or you can click and drag your mouse like so. If you want to zoom in or out, you can pinch 2 fingers on your keypad or scroll with your mouse, just like this. And if you want to move from one table to another, all you've got to do is hover over a different table and double click, just like this. As you can see, I've just moved from table 1 over to table 2, and I can do the same for table 5 and table 6. You can also see who's sat at different tables by hovering over their icon, and then you can click to find out some more information about them. If you want to edit your profile during the event, all you need to do is hover over your image or your initials in the top right here and click Edit. There we go. So I can change all of my information right here. Because there are so many of you joining us, we've also got multiple floors. Right now, I'm on floor number 1 at table number 6. But if I want to change floors, all I've got to do is hover over the floor drop down and go to floor number 2 right here. And there we are. So now I'm on floor 2 at table number 1, and I can move again over to table number 11 and come back to floor number 1 again. You'll also notice on floor number 1 we've got some content banners from our partners, One Planet Journey, ICRT Global, TRAP and RISE. To interact with these banners, all you've got to do is hover over the logo and click to open to find out more information. For the matchmaking half of the event, we've got 4 10-minute rounds, where we've matched you with different people based on your connection interests. At the end of each round, you'll see a pop-up appear on your screen asking you to join the next table, just like here. Please, please, please make sure that you click join to make sure that you join the right table in the correct round, and you meet the people that you're supposed to connect with. Remo also has different chat functions. If you hover down here over the chat icon and click to open, you'll see general chat, table chat and private chat. For general chat, these messages will be sent to everyone at the event. Table chat is for the people just at your table. And private chat allows you to send one-to-one messages with any attendees that are here today. The only other feature you might want to use is the reactions down here, next to chat and polls. You can open these up and choose any of these reactions that you like. There we go. So, those are the basics for how to use Remo. If you have any questions or problems at any time, just go to the general chat and let me know that you're struggling, and I'll come to your rescue as soon as I can.